Lenovo recently dropped a ton of new consumer and gaming laptops at CES 2022. The Lenovo Legion series, ThinkPad series, ThinkBook series, and new updated Lenovo Yoga series. In this video, I'm going to show you amazing new laptops from Lenovo powered by Intel 12th generation processor that you can consider to buy in 2022. So do watch the video till the end and do let me know in the comment section which laptop did you like the most. Please hit the like button, do share this video among your friends and subscribe our channel. Lenovo Yoga 9i. Lenovo celebrated the 10-year anniversary of its first 360-degree Yoga 2-in-1 laptop by releasing its 7th generation of Yoga laptop. The Lenovo Yoga 9i is the 14-inch flagship model in the new Yoga range. The laptop is powered by an up to 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics and meets the design requirements of an Intel Eco laptop, including battery life and super fast boot up. The Yoga 9i features an up to 4K OLED IPS touchscreen that is VESA Display HDR 500 True Black certified for 100% DCI P3 color accuracy, TUV low blue light certified, and supports Dolby Vision. The 2-in-1 has a louder speakers than the previous generation with an improved rotating soundbar with quad Bowers and Wilkins speakers and supports Dolby Atmos that will give you an immersive multimedia experience. The laptop comes with an edge-to-edge keyboard with a bar of new one-click function keys with 5 new shortcut keys including Smart Power Performance Mode, Background Blur, Wipe Check, Color Mode, and a fingerprint reader. The touchpad is 45% larger too, and the laptop comes with 2 Thunderbolt 4 ports and expanded Wi-Fi 6E. This 2-in-1 laptop also comes with a Precision Pen 2 or e-color pen in the box. Links are given in the description for various countries. You can check the price and availability in your country and buy it from there. Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Generation 3. Lenovo unveiled a range of new ThinkBooks including a dual-screen ThinkBook Plus Generation 3. The ThinkBook Plus Generation 3 is the first 17.3-inch laptop with a built-in secondary 8-inch full-color LCD display according to Lenovo. The second screen here is designed to improve productivity by offering a space for application subtools, a chat window during video conferencing, a notepad during meetings, a drawing board, a calculator, smartphone mirroring, and more. Coming to its specification, this new Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Generation 3 laptop is equipped with the newly launched 12th generation Intel Core Alder Lake processor with Intel Iris Xe graphics. It is paired with up to 32 gigs of RAM of LPDDR5 type and up to 1TB of PCIe Generation 4 SSD storage. It is equipped with a 1080p infrared camera with a shutter according to Lenovo. On the connectivity front, the Lenovo ThinkBook Plus Generation 3 is equipped with the Wi-Fi 6E and Bluetooth version 5.1 support along with the 4 USB ports and a 3.5mm audio jack. Lenovo Legion 5 Pro and 5i Pro. The Lenovo Legion 5 Pro series consists of two 16-inch laptops, the Legion 5 Pro and the Legion 5i Pro. Both gaming laptops featured W Quad HD Plus displays with a fast 240Hz adaptive refresh rate. The screen supports 100% sRGB color game mode, VESA Display HDR 400 certification, and up to 500 nits of brightness and have an up to 3 milliseconds of response time. Both also support Dolby Vision, Nvidia G-Sync, and are Gold Level TU Rain Length High Gaming Performance certified for reducing the effects of blue light. The Pro series laptops are powered by a choice of 12th generation Intel Core or AMD Ryzen processors and GPU configuration going up to GeForce RTX 30 series. The laptop also comes with a DDR5 memory with up to 1TB of PCIe SSD of storage supported. The cooling system has been updated with the slimmer fan blades and a larger exhaust area, and there is an 80 Wh battery with a support for rapid charge and up to 135 watt USB Type-C charging. The laptop also takes advantage of the dual 2-watt speaker system with the Nihimic audio support and comes with a Legion True Strike keyboard and a new Legion Spectrum RGB light. Lenovo Yoga 7i. The company also announced the new Lenovo Yoga 7i, which comes in 14-inch and 16-inch sizes. The 14-inch version features up to 2.8K OLED touchscreen with the 100% DCI-P3 color game mode and Dolby Vision support. It also packs an up to 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor and Intel Iris Xe graphics along with a 71 Wh battery with a Rapid Charge Express support. The 16-inch Yoga 7i meanwhile includes an up to 2.5K LCD 60Hz display with a 100% sRGB color game mode along with TUV low blue light tech and support for Dolby Vision and Dolby Atmos audio. Like the 14-inch model, the 16-inch model is also powered up to 12th generation Intel Core i7 processor and Iris Xe graphics, though you can also opt for Intel Arc A series graphics. The laptop meets Intel Evo verification requirements and feature an amp up to 100 Wh battery and an array of ports including Thunderbolt 4, USB Type-A and an HDMI SD card reader. Updated ThinkPad series. Enterprise businesses long familiar with the ThinkPad X1. This series will find new additions to that portfolio including a milestone X1 Carbon 10th generation, X1 Yoga 7th generation and the lightest ThinkPad ever, X1 Nano 2nd generation. All models now support 12th generation Intel Core P series processor that offers significant leap in performance from previous generations. All powered by Windows 11, they are optimized for hybrid workers and professionals who seek higher levels of performance, better camera and audio capabilities for more immersive collaboration, and a more secure laptop to protect them from the daily demands of hybrid working. A key design feature is the new communication bar that integrates improved Full HD webcam options, privacy shutter and 360-degree far-field quad-array microphone. With this design, there is a camera with a larger sensor than what is usually found on laptops that increases image quality, especially in low light conditions. So these are some of the amazing Lenovo laptops, new Lenovo laptops powered by 12th generation Intel processor that you can consider to buy in 2022. Hope you like the video. If you like the video, please hit the like button to share this video among your friends. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.